What's up everyone? This is JIC and today we're going to talk about the Bvlgari Allegra. We're going to do a first impression and some unboxing. So, stay tuned. Okay guys, we're gonna start some unboxing. This is pretty much how it looks like. Looks pretty nice. Again, pretty nice box. Nice. I really like the shape of the bottle. Looks very unique. This fragrance is called Baciami. Excuse my pronunciation. So this fragrance is a private collection and it's marketed towards women. And no guys, I don't wear women's perfume. This is someone that borrowed to me to review it. But I'm gonna give it a try. Pretty nice spray. Wow.
A few moments later.
I'm getting a powdery smell. It's fruity, sweet. This smells really formal. Definitely a very dressed up occasion. Like going to a expensive dinner night, either
12 seconds later.
you could go to a ball. Wow, this smells really good. So according to Fragrantica, this came out in 2022. It's for women. It leans a little bit more towards the evening and colder weather. It's long lasting, projecting, and some people say it lasts for about 8 hours. That's really good. All right, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Antica, this came out in 2022. The evening. It's also towards